Fix extend volume option grayed out in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are trying to extend your drive C, but you have grayed out the option, here is a solution to it. For that, what you can do is on the right side of your C drive, you will see a volume. You can simply right click on it and delete it. However, if it is a recovery drive or recovery volume, you cannot delete it from here. So for that, what you can do is you have to open your command prompt, but make sure to open it as run as administrator. Once that is done, here are some of the few commands that you have to give. So for the first command, you have to tap in disk part. Doing so will show you the disk part. After that, tap in list disk. Here you will see the disk. As you can see, the name of the disk is disk 0. So now we have to tap in select disk 0. Once that is done, you have to tap in list participation. Now you will see different types of participations. Make sure to select the one with the recovery type. Once that is done, now the last option is to delete the partition by writing delete partition override. Once you have done so, you can restart your command or computer management, and you will notice that the grayed out option of the volume option will be removed and you can easily extend your volume. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.